Hi everyone, welcome back to English Story Days. Today I'm going to share with you some of the best phrases in English for daily use. These are short, simple, but very powerful expressions. If you use them every day, your English will sound more natural and confident. So let's get started. Phrase number one. How is it going? Instead of just saying, how are you? You can say, how's it going? It sounds friendly and natural. Example, hey, how's it going? Phrase number two, long time no see. Use this when you meet someone after a long time. Example, oh wow, long time no see. Phrase number three, that sounds great. Use it to show excitement or agreement. Example, we are going for pizza tonight. That sounds great. Phrase number four, what do you mean? Use this when you don't understand something and want more explanation. Example, sorry, what do you mean by that? Phrase number five, I really appreciate it. Instead of only saying thank you, this sounds warmer and more polite. Example, thanks for helping me. I really appreciate it. Phrase number six. Could you please? A polite way to ask for help. Example. Could you please pass me the book? Phrase number seven. It doesn't matter. A nice way to say it's okay or it's not important. Example. Sorry, I spilled a little water. It doesn't matter. Phrase number eight. I'm not sure. A polite way to say you don't know. Example, do you know the answer? I'm not sure. Phrase number nine, that makes sense. Use it when you understand something clearly. Example, oh, okay, that makes sense. Phrase number 10, take care. Use this while saying goodbye. Example, see you later, take care. So, friends, I have made one small story using all 10 phrases. Just listen carefully and you will understand how the sentences are formed. Then you can try them by yourself. When you listen and practice, you will feel more confident and better in learning this language. One day, Anjali met her old friend Rahul at the park. Anjali smiled and said, Hey Rahul, how is it going? Rahul was surprised. Oh wow, long time no see. Anjali laughed. Yes, it's been months. Let's grab a coffee. Rahul replied, That sounds great. While talking, Anjali said, I started a new job. Rahul asked, Oh, really? What do you mean? Tell me more. Anjali explained about her work, and Rahul said, Wow, that's amazing. I really appreciate it when friends share their success stories. When the coffee arrived, Anjali asked politely, Could you please pass me the sugar? Rahul accidentally spilled a little water and quickly said, Oops, sorry. Anjali smiled. Don't worry, it doesn't matter. Later, Rahul asked, So, are you enjoying the job? Anjali thought for a moment and said, I'm not sure. Sometimes it's exciting, sometimes stressful. Rahul nodded. Yes, that makes sense. Every new job has ups and downs. Finally, it was time to leave. Anjali said, Okay, Rahul, I will see you soon. Take care. So, friends, that was the story with all 10 daily use phrases. Listen again, practice them, and then try making your own sentences. The more you practice, the more natural and fluent your English will become. And now, I have a small task for you. Write your own sentence using any one of today's phrases in the comment box. I will read them and I'm sure this practice will help you even more. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Story Days. See you soon. Take care.